everyone, welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make the Tunisian Simple Stitch. Let's get started. I'm using a Tunisian crochet hook, 5mm, and a Tunisian crochet hook is basically a regular crochet hook except it's extended and it has a knob on the end. You'll also see Tunisian crochet hooks possibly that have a cord at the end and then a stopper. In this tutorial, it'll be helpful if you already know how to make a slip knot and how to make the chain stitch. So first make a slip knot and slide it onto your hook. And then for Tunisian Simple Stitch, you can chain any length. I'm going to be chaining 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now find the second chain from your hook. So bring that a little closer. This V right here is the first chain for my hook, and this is the second. So I'm going to insert my hook into that second chain, yarn over, and pull through the chain stitch. Now I'm going to leave these 2 loops on my hook, find the next chain, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through that chain, and lift up. Now I'm going to leave this new loop on my hook as well. And I'm going to insert my crochet hook, yarn over, and pull up into every chain until the end. So now I'm at my last one. I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, and pull up that loop. So now I have a loop on my hook for every stitch I pulled up a loop for. Now we've completed our forward pass. And the forward pass is when you're going to go this way if you're right-handed and picking up loops. The backwards pass is when you close off all these loops on your hook. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So we've made our forward pass, and now we're going to make our backward pass. The forward pass picks up the loops, the backward pass closes them. To start our backward pass, we're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop on our hook. Now we are going to yarn over again and pull through these 2 loops, so the next 2 loops on your hook. And lift up, yarn over, and pull through 2 again, and then yarn over, pull through 2 all the way across. Now I have made my backward pass of Tunisian Simple Stitch. Alright, let's keep going. So to start our next forward pass, we are going to find this first vertical bar to work into. This chain on the side is not going to count as our first vertical bar, but this bar right here is what we're going to work into first. So skip this chain on the side, and you're going to insert your crochet hook right under that vertical bar. Not under the front and the back. Don't go under the front and the back. Just go in between this back and front loop of the vertical bar. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through that vertical bar and lift up. Then you're going to find your next bar to work into, which is right here. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now find your next one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then when you get to the end, the last bar is going to be this one right here. So this can be a little tricky at the end to find that, but you're going to work into this bar right here. Let me bring that a little closer. So I just worked into this bar, and now the last bar to work into is at the very, very end of that row. So just insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now we're going to make our backward pass the same way as we did on our first backward pass. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2 all the way across till the end, and until I have 1 loop on my hook. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And now you're going to continue working into these vertical bars and pulling up a loop till the end of the row, and then work your backward passes as I showed you earlier in this video. Alright, and that is all there is to it. I hope you love this tutorial. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more stitch tutorials and other crochet related videos. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.